Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called The Stars Beneath Our Feet. It's Christmas Eve in Harlem, but 12-year-old Lolly and his mom aren't celebrating. They're still reeling from his older brother's death and a gang-related shooting just a few months earlier. Then, his mother's significant other brings him a gift that will change everything. 2 enormous bags filled with Legos. Lolly's always loved Legos, and he prides himself on following the kit instructions exactly. Now, faced with a pile of building blocks and no instructions, Lolly must find his own way forward. His path isn't clear, and the pressure to join a crew, as his brother did, is always there. When Lolly and his friends are beaten up and robbed, joining a crew almost seems like the safe choice. But building a fantastical Lego city at the community center provides Lolly with an escape and an unexpected bridge back to the world. This is a story about a boy teetering on the edge of adolescence, grief, and violence, and shows how Lolly's spirit helps him build a life with open doors. This book has won a ton of book awards and would be a really incredible read for this month. The next book is Mercy Suarez Changes Gears. Mercy Suarez knew that 6th grade would be different, but she had no idea just how different. For starters, as strong and thoughtful as Mercy is, she has never really been like the other kids at her private school in Florida. She doesn't have a big house or a fancy boat, but she and her brother are scholarship students and have to do extra community service to make up for their free tuition. So when bossy Edna sets her sights on the new boy who happens to be Mercy's school-assigned buddy, Mercy becomes the target of Edna's jealousy. Things aren't going well at home either. Mercy's grandfather has been acting strangely lately, forgetting important things, falling from his bike, and getting angry over nothing. And Mercy's left to her own worries because no one in her family will tell her what's going on. This coming-of-age tale gets to the heart of the confusion and constant change that defines middle school, which I'm sure many of you can relate to. This book is a bestseller and has won a Newbery Medal, an excellent read you will not want to miss. The last book I'm going to tell you about is Hoax for Hire. The McNeil family has always been professional hoaxers, tricking bystanders into believing they're seeing legendary creatures like Bigfoot and the Loch Ness Monster. Unlike the rest of his family, 12-year-old Grayson hates hoaxing and wants nothing to do with the business, even when the McNeils land a huge job and must pull off 4 sea monster hoaxes in a week. But when things go disastrously wrong and Dad and Gramps go missing, Grayson and his brother are the only people who can finish the job and save their family. The humor, adventure, and nonstop action remind me of the old school movie The Goonies, and I highly recommend it. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day.